Hey, welcome back everyone. A3D here. We're going to do some more Meshy text to 3D models. I was kind of thinking a little bit here. I think what we can try to do in celebration of his new album, we can do an Eminem bust and make it high quality, highly detailed, ultra realistic. Sculpture, negative prompts, and all the stuff we don't want to see here. Rate that one. And I want to see if AI will determine anything different from Slim Shady. Those two going, and also just make one up on the fly here. How about snail with wings? We get more of an anime style here. Highly detailed. Cartoon character. And then let that one generate too. Alright, so while all those are generating, I did do a bust of The Rock. Thought it came out pretty good, all things considered. Texture is a little interesting, but for the most part, I would say this looks pretty similar to The Rock. Looks like our Eminem model has came back. So let's see what we come up with here. Okay. Looks like they gave him makeup. That's interesting. Really seeing one looks very close. This one looks the closest. I actually just thought about we could also put in Marshall Mathers. Just wondering if this will make any difference at all. Alright, so that one's cooking. So next we did Slim Shady bust, highly detailed, ultra realistic. Looks like he's got the white shirt on there. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like the AI keeps wanting to give him makeup. We'll try the one with the white shirt. So that one turns out. Okay, we asked for a snail with wings. I don't see wings on any of the generated models, but I do see a solid looking snail. That one's really creepy looking. Okay, we'll go with this one. Going up and running, and we'll wait here for the Marshall Mathers bust. Here we go. You can see AI is getting pretty close. I don't know, just a lot of it looks like they're putting makeup on. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to refine one of these. I think we have what we need in the other ones. So we'll just wait for these to load up. Alright, looks like our model of the Eminem bust is finished. Let's take a look and see how it turns out. The shading. Well, it certainly tried. As you can see, it gave Eminem two noses. Back looks pretty clean. Not sure what this is here. Yeah, it doesn't really look too much like Eminem. It's kind of resembles, but not exactly there. How about the Slim Shady bust? This one looks a little bit closer. Okay, I would say that's pretty close to looking like Slim Shady. It even has a little earring piercing. Back of the scalp looking pretty good. Just have to clean up behind the ears a little bit. Yeah, for the most part, it looks like it did all right. Something going with the ears needs to be fixed, but I would say someone looking at this would likely assume this is supposed to be Slim Shady. So that's not a bad start. And now taking a look at our snail. We did want wings in the anime format, but I don't see any. The snail does look pretty solid though. That's pretty solid work. The back could use a little fixing up. Just a little spot healing here. Yeah, but for the most part, I'm pretty satisfied with this model. Cool. So just want to show you all those three simple models there. We got our Eminem bus, Slim Shady bus, and the Snell. It's supposed to be the wings, but didn't have it. Sometimes you can't win them all. All right, till next time. Later.